All right, when you first, when you tie your shoes, you normally do a left over right for your normal underhand overhand knot, like that. Okay, everybody knows you do a left over right when you tie a regular knot. Okay, the right hand goes over the left to tie the first knot. The second knot is tied with a regular knot. The left goes over the right, and then you tie that knot. Now we have a double knot. Come back here. Let me do that again. You have the double knot. That one goes through, and it goes through again here, and then it vanishes. Just like that. The right hand rope goes over the left the first time. Then you tie the first knot. It's trying to twist up on me. You tie the first knot. Then you tie the second knot the normal way. The left goes over the right. Then you go through the front of that bottom loop, go through the front of the second loop between here. And then you pull loose the knots. Okay. And you do it with the poem. 2 knots you are. 2 knots you'll be. I see you're not. Two knots for me. Alright, that's that rope trick. I'm going to show you some basic sponge magic. You have a sponge, you're going to vanish the sponge. So you're going to put the sponge down to the fist, and you're going to make it disappear. But you're going to reach in and pull out that sponge out from your other hand. So basically, you're going to go in, and then it vanishes, and then you're going to reach in and grab your sponge out of your hand, just like that. Goes in, vanishes, and you reach back in the same hand and pull out the sponge, just like that.